Haha, bonjour tout le monde, c'est Madame Davis avec
Claire.
And what are we talking about today? We're counting to
70.
Right. Okay, so we already know how to count to 20. So let's do that together. Do that with me, everybody. Tout le monde.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, so 20, and then we get out our thumb, our pouce, and we count on our fingers to keep track, and we go
21,
22,
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
And 30 is
30.
trente. And we do that again.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
And 40 is 40. 40. So with 40, 50, and 60, we have a little ant. See the little ant there? Who is helping us, remember. And with 40, the ant's driving a car. 40. Okay, count the 40s with me. 40, 41, 42,
43, 44, 45, 46, 46, 47, 48, 49.
And 50 is 50. Up. The ant's in trouble because he's trying to swim and blub, blub, blub. The ant sank. 50. Count the 50s with me, tout le monde. 50.
52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
And 60 is 60. Up, the ant's really in trouble now, isn't he, Claire? Because now we're making a sauce. You put on your New Jersey accent and you say that we're making a sauce. A sauce. And what's in a sauce? Ants. Soixante. Soixante. So we're stirring up our ant sauce. Soixante. Count the soixantes with me. 61,
62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 66, 67, 68, 69.
And 70 is 60.
68,
70. 70.
Because it's 60 plus a 10.
Oui, c'est ça. 70. Okay. Merci tout le monde.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.